one can earn consistently from the market when he knows in which direction market is going, right? So that he can plan his trades, which will obviously give edge to the trading system. How do we achieve this? With the help of support and resistance, we can do this, right? However, there are few more parameters which can help this process. Supertrend is one such indicator which actually help us in telling the direction of the market. Staying with the market will obviously increase multifold your probability of earning consistently from the market. Exponential moving average also do this. We will come back to this, but right now we are focusing on Supertrend. One of the most effective ways to earn from the market is to stay with the trend. Supertrend exactly do this beautifully in every market condition. Here I have taken one chart explanation for you. This is Nifty 50 indices chart, and we are talking about 3 minutes time frame. We can see the market was almost flat, and then as soon as the market opened on the next day, it went down, right? From here it took support. It was some support and resistance sensitive line which actually held the market and gave support. From here market went up, down, sideways. If we use Supertrend indicator, please listen to this carefully. If we use Supertrend indicator, which actually takes direction from support and resistance, it also takes direction from support and resistance, calculate and give these lines to us. The setting here for Supertrend is default 7 and 3. Yeah. So these lines are actually behaving as support and resistance in the market. When market started coming down, it actually gave indicator that it is going down. The line, this line will tell us it is going down. When it is almost vertical, the speed is more, it is more volatile, and when it is flat, market tend to come in a flat direction. When market changed the direction, it actually started going up. This red turned into green, and with this green line, market actually went up, or vice versa. When market was going up, the green line also went, and then market stayed flat because this flat line, yes, and from here market turned from green to red, and then the arrows signifies market going down, the green arrow signifies market going up. So it started going down again, flat, vertical, flat, vertical. Supertrend basically helps you in a very easy way to find trend in the market. Staying with the trend, you can easily find opportunities for yourself and will give edge to your trading system. Let me show you one more example of Supertrend indicator in the market. Nifty 50 indices chart, 3 minutes time frame. Market was slightly bearish on 14th. 15th, as soon as the market opened, it actually turned bullish and started going up until the market closes. It was going upwards. How to capture such a move? Supertrend actually will really help you in achieving this goal. As soon as the red turned into green, it actually started going up and the green line actually continued throughout consistently. Yes, only on 2-3 incidents the price action candle actually touched the Supertrend green line. 1, 2, 3 and maybe 4. So the red line, the price action candle actually touched the green line, but it actually behaved as a good support, and from here it actually took a reversal. If you can see this, took a reversal. As I told you, Supertrend takes information from support and resistance. So capturing such a move can actually give profit, good profit.